It's Monday morning. The city is quiet. Jelly's coffee is ready.
Good morning, Jelly.
Good morning, Tom. Come in.
No, I'm on my way to work. I just wanted to say hello. How are you today?
How am I today? I'm great, actually. Really great. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Hey, I have a new neighbor coming this week. Her name is... I forget. Do you know her?
I don't think so. What's her name?
Something with an L, like Laura? I'm not sure. And how long have you been here?
3 years now.
You speak English so well.
Thank you. I practice every day.
Hey, Jolie, good morning.
Sophia, good morning. What time is it there?
It's 8:30 here. What about you?
Same, 8:30. Monday already.
I know. Hey, I have a question for you. I'm filling out this team profile form and I need everyone's info. Can I ask you a few things?
Of course, go ahead.
Okay. First, what do you do exactly, like your official title?
I'm a designer, visual designer.
And do you like your job?
Do I like my job? Yes, I really do. Some days are hard, but yes, it makes me feel free.
That's a good answer. Do you work every day?
Monday to Friday. Weekends are mine.
Okay, personal section now. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. Her name is Carol. She lives with me.
Is she older or younger than you?
Younger, 2 years younger, but sometimes she acts like the older one.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married. I'm single, very single.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, a cat. His name is Biscuit.
Biscuit. What does he look like?
He's orange, big, very, very lazy.
Oh my God, is that him?
That's him. Perfect timing, Biscuit.
Last question. What language do you speak at home?
Portuguese, but I practice English every day.
Why? I mean, what made you start?
Why am I learning English? Because I want to travel, and I want to feel confident, like the words are mine, you know?
I love that.
Hey, the usual?
Not today. What do you recommend?
The tomato sandwich is really good today. And we have a new latte.
Okay, I'd like the tomato sandwich and the new latte, please.
Perfect. Do you want to sit inside or outside?
Outside, I think. It's too nice today.
I know, right? What's the weather like where you live?
Sunny. Warm. It's a perfect day.
You come here almost every day, right?
Almost every day, yes. I love this place.
We love having you.
Excuse me, do you know what time this cafe closes?
I think it closes at 9, but I'm not sure.
Thank you, dear. Are you from here?
Yes, I'm from this city, born and raised.
You seem very calm for a Monday.
I'm trying.
Hey, what did you eat for lunch?
A tomato sandwich and a latte. Really good.
Nice. Hey, do you want to watch a movie tonight?
Yes. What do you want to watch?
Something funny. I need to laugh today.
What kind of movies do you like again? I always forget.
Comedies, romantic comedies. You know this.
I like documentaries.
We are not watching a documentary on a Monday night, Jilly.
Fine, romantic comedy it is.
Perfect. I'll be home by 7.
Today was a good day. I talked to Tom in the morning. He asked me how I was. I said I was great, and I meant it. Sophia called. She asked me why I'm learning English. I said, because I want the words to be mine. I still think that's true. What am I grateful for today? This moment, these words, and trying. 30 questions, 30 answers. See you tomorrow, same time. Bring your coffee.